Welcome, love. In the next moments, we'll move from fear to clear. I'll guide you through a higher self Reiki realignment designed to give you one honest answer: yes, no, or wait, so decisions feel simple and your manifestation path feels clean. We'll shake the day off, remove resistance, activate your third eye, flood your cells with golden light, listen for the first true signal, and seal the clarity into your system so it keeps working for the next few days. By the end, you'll also have a 90-second daily check-in, a 60-second emergency reset, and a bedtime variation you can replay whenever you need. This practice is a supportive meditative aid and does not replace professional medical or mental health care. Consider it a complement that may help you feel more regulated and make the most of any prescribed treatment. Wherever you are, soften your gaze or close your eyes. Let your jaw ungrip, let your shoulders fall one quiet inch. Unhook your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel the ground holding you, chair, bed, floor, like a steady friend who doesn't need you to explain anything. You're allowed to arrive exactly as you are. Take a slow inhale through your nose, hold at the top like a calm comma, and exhale through the mouth longer than the inhale. Again, inhale, hold, exhale, even slower. One more time. Inhale, hold, melt the breath out. Good. Presence is coming online. Bring one decision, one desire, or one question to mind. You don't have to fix it or force it. Just hold it gently like a note pressed under a smooth stone. If you can, give it a short title. Job A or B? Move or stay? Begin or release? Call it in or let it go? Say the title once in your mind. We'll return to it after we clear the static. Hear the rattle approach like small rain on a warm roof. Picture the sound brushing through your aura, the invisible atmosphere around you. Let it sweep today's leftover stories, the conversation that replayed, the screen glow still buzzing, even the good moments that keep looping. The rattle shakes them loose, like dust floating where sunlight enters a window, then dissolves them into neutral light. Space returns. Your field becomes simple again, like a room after you open the windows. Wave 1. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. Again, wave 2. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 7. Again, wave 3. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 8. You're telling your nervous system it's safe to land. Feel the belly rise and fall. Feel the heart slow its hoofbeat to a steady walk. Notice how the mind follows the breath like a loyal river follows gravity. Scan your body for the place where your question is hiding as tension: throat, chest, solar plexus, jaw. See thin cords there: worry, scarcity, what ifs. Imagine gentle fingers plucking each cord free. Pluck, release. Pluck, release. Each thread lifts, turns to mist, and vanishes. If a new cord appears behind it, that's okay. Pluck again. Fear doesn't need arguing, it needs ventilation. Let fresh air reach that spot. Notice how the breath enters more smoothly. Notice a millimeter more trust in your own timing. Invite the frequency of citrine, bright and steady, like a small sun cupped in your palm. It doesn't push, it reveals. Place that sun near your decision. Let it cast honest light on what already fits your best life. Say quietly, clarity that brings joy for all. Feel how this intention opens a door without forcing anyone through it. Now sense a pillar of soft white light above your head, the feel of moonlit snow, of morning quartz. That is skullicite, quiet, angelic, precise. Let it settle around you like a temple of stillness. Inside this stillness, insight becomes obvious, the way stars appear, the moment clouds drift aside. You don't have to reach for it, you only have to allow it. Bring your attention to the point between your brows. A golden spark appears there. With your inhale, it threads inward. With your exhale, it softens outward. Imagine sacred symbols drawn gently in light at your brow, an invitation for clear seeing, honest knowing, compassionate action. May I see what is mine to see. May I know what is mine to know. May I act when it is time, and rest when it is wise. The spark becomes a river, pouring down through head, throat, heart, solar plexus, belly, pelvis, thighs, knees, shins, ankles, soles. It also flows down both arms to wrists, palms, fingertips. Each cell turns on a little lamp. Your system shifts into a higher gear, quiet, certain, present. You glow from the inside, not loud, just sure. Emotions may move, a yawn, a sigh, a single tear. Let them. Your body is making space for truth. Crown, I am guided. Brow, I am clear. Throat, I speak and receive truth. Heart, I choose what is kind and wise. Solar plexus, I act with calm power. Belly, I digest and integrate. Pelvis, I create with alignment. Legs and feet, I move when it's time. I rest when it's time. Repeat once more at your own pace, letting each center glow a notch brighter. Notice the quality in your body, grounded and light at once, like a mountain at sunrise. This is you without the static, your highest expression. Let your posture memorize it. Let your breath memorize it. Let your nervous system learn it as the new normal. Calm, bright, available. Gently place your decision into this luminous space and watch how your body responds. Expansion or contraction, ease or abrasion. A single word may arise. Yes, no, wait. Trust the first clean signal, even if it's subtle. Truth often arrives as direction before it arrives as explanation. Ask, if I choose this, do I become more honest, more kind, more energized? Feel the answer in the body. Then ask, if I release this, do I become more honest, more kind, more energized? Let the wiser sensation win. Surprise is allowed. Relief is a teacher. Your body will not lie to you when it is calm. If nothing speaks, that is guidance too. Whisper, send a sign within 24 hours that even I can't miss. Expect quiet patterns, repeated phrases, a sudden lightness when you think of option A, a steady drag with option B, a dream that resolves the puzzle. Your higher self will communicate in a language you already understand. If a doubt pops up, what if I'm wrong? Say, if this is mine, it will stay. If it is not, it will leave kindly. Feel the soft click of permission. Decision fatigue loosens. You are allowed to move one small step in the right direction and let the next step reveal itself. Picture your aura as a luminous cloak. Smooth it along the front of your body, sides, and back. If you notice thin spots, breathe golden light there. If you notice small snags, comb them gently with your hands in your mind's eye. Seal the edge with a final sweep, from crown to soles, as if closing a safe, comforting zipper of light. For the next 48 to 72 hours, your system stays a little extra sensitive. That's good. You may notice clear yes tingles, gentle no heaviness, or the weight that feels like clouds parting slowly. Support the process. Drink water, move your body, get sunlight, and write down any signs you receive. Clarity loves being witnessed. 1 long exhale to soften the nerves. 2, touch the point between your brows and name your question in 5 words or fewer. 3, ask, expansion or contraction. Take the first clean signal. If unclear, ask for a 24-hour sign and release it. Use this once a day to keep the channel uncluttered. In a swirl or a crowd, do this. Exhale audibly, drop your shoulders, relax your tongue, feel your feet. Press thumb to brow for 1 breath. Whisper, show me the next kind step. Move only 1 step. That's enough. Truth takes the next step to meet you. At night, replay this golden light sequence, brow spark, to river through body, to aura seal. Ask for clarity in dream symbols you already associate with yes, no, or wait. Keep a note open on your phone or a small notebook by the bed. Write whatever arrives before language fades. When manifesting, add this filter, this or better, for the good of all involved. It keeps doors open you didn't know existed and closes the ones that only look shiny. Aligning with your higher self is less about getting everything you want and more about wanting what actually serves your real life. Ask, where is my yes leaking into maybes? See one place you can tighten the boundary kindly, an auto-reply, a shorter meeting, a pause before saying yes. Every time you plug a leak, your guidance grows louder. Clarity loves containers. Make one promise you can keep in 24 hours that supports your answer. Research 1 page, send 1 message, decline 1 thing, rest 1 hour. Micro actions compound into timelines. Let your action be kind and small. Let it be now or soon, not perfect. If the answer is yes, picture the next 3 steps glowing in front of you. Keep them tiny. Step 1, begin. Step 2, continue. Step 3, stabilize. Exhale. The big picture will refresh as you move. If the answer is no, imagine a door closing with a soft click and a thank you note on your side. No is a kindness that frees your timeline. Feel the relief. Fill that freed space with water, breath, and a small delight. If the answer is wait, remember that waiting is an intelligent rhythm, not a punishment. Put your question on a 7-day shelf. Ask for one unmistakable sign in that time. Meanwhile, strengthen your body, simplify your schedule, and enjoy what is already blooming. You are not behind. Your path is not a bus you missed. It's a river that keeps meeting you wherever you stand. When you choose honestly, the river flows easier. When you're unsure, the river rests with you until clarity arrives. Let the rattle sweep once more, just enough to brush off any residue we loosened. Hear the rhythm pass behind you, over you, in front of you, and fade like a kind wind closing the session with a bell. Thank your breathing body for listening. Thank the citrine sun for honest warmth. Thank the scolecite temple for quiet perspective. Thank every version of you that brought you here. Gratitude seals doors you don't need and opens the ones you do. Smooth the aura from crown to soles once more. Whisper, what serves me stays, what doesn't leaves kindly. Drink water when you can. Step outside if possible. Write any phrase or picture that rose during this session. Let it exist on paper where your future self can find it. You can replay this daily or whenever the mind feels foggy. The golden light upgrade runs faster each time because your system recognizes the path. Think of it as a bookmark in your nervous system. Clarity on page 1. Life is not testing you, it is arranging around your honest choices. May your yes feel like breath entering a room. May your no feel like a door closing with relief. May your wait feel like sunrise gathering at the edge of the sky. From fear to clear. Beautifully done. Feel the edges of the chair or bed. Notice the temperature on your cheeks. Notice the breath you didn't have to ask for. When you're ready, open your eyes or soften your gaze. Bring this steadiness into the next thing you do. What tiny step supports my answer today? What boundary makes my yes safer? What sign would feel unmistakable to me? What do I know now that I didn't know 20 minutes ago? Write one line, let that be enough.